Hey, man, have you ever parked your gas golf cart and you go out there to hit it again and all at once it just does nothing? I'm going to show you this, man. Here we have an EZGO gas. All right. Now, this don't count for just an EZGO gas. This counts for any gas golf cart. All right. Now, if you listen to the solenoid, listen to this. I'm going to put the phone here. Listen to the noise. You can see the solenoid clicking. When I hit the gas, my check engine's going off, which indicates that my mic switch and the floorboard is doing its job. All right, but nothing's turning over. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take me a wrench and my two big posts here. I'm gonna jump the two big posts. Yes. Like I'm gonna jump like that. You can see I'm jumping. You can get a golf cart running, man. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the solenoid out. And we'll be back on our feet, man. All right, man, y'all stay tuned, man. I'll post some more.